how to turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off age restrictions on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off age restrictions on YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. And once you launch the YouTube app, there are one of two things that you can do. One is that you can tap the profile icon from the top right and then just go to settings, then just go to general. Scroll down, here you can see restricted mode. You can just try to disable this to see if that helps you solve the problem. But if your age is really under account or under age of your account, you can try changing your Google account to another account which has a proper age, or you can change the age for your own Google account by tapping the manage your Google account option here. Once you tap on that option, what you want to do is you want to simply go to the personal info tab here. Then under personal info, you will be able to see your birthday. Make sure to change the age to something that would make you at least over 18 years of age. And after you do that, relaunch the YouTube app and that will help you solve the problem. This way you will be able to turn off age restriction on YouTube. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.